Okay.
All right. Okay. So go ahead and turn around. Put your hands on your head. Thank you. All right. Here we go. My car's right over there. And do you have any idea where you may have left your car?
I thought by my friend's house.
By your friend's house? Okay. All right, I can have someone go and check for you.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna have you stand here for a second. All right. Stay there for me. Okay, so far it does look like you match the description, and so does your car. So we're definitely going to take you in, all right? Right now I'm going to have to place you under arrest for the DUI, at least.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So, you know, placing you under arrest, you know, you have a right to remain silent, you have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, you know, the courts will appoint one to you. So,
Okay.
do you understand these rights I've read to you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, great. I'm going to have you get in the car. Do you have anything that's going to poke me, stick you in the car? Nothing?
No.
Okay, let me just go ahead and just do a quick check of your pockets. Just making sure. Just your phone?
Yep.
Okay. Watch your head when you get in, please. Lean back for me. Ow!
Are you sure it's me?
I'm pretty sure, yes. If not, like I said, it'll be all sorries for me and we'll get it figured out when we get back, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good. Where do we go?
Turn the wall. Face the wall, please. And do another pat down, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Check your hair. Nothing's in there. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and take you in.
Okay.